What if I told you that AI can already design electrical systems, detect faults, and predict power failures without touching a single wire? So the big question is, will AI replace electrical engineers? Or will electrical engineers who use AI replace those who don't? Let's separate fear from facts. Today, AI is already changing the electrical engineering industry. AI can detect faults in power lines before they fail, predict transformer breakdowns, design electrical layouts faster than humans, and monitor smart grids to control power flow automatically. In factories and smart cities, AI analyzes thousands of data points in seconds, something humans simply cannot do. So yes, AI is powerful. But here's the important part. AI cannot fully understand real-world constraints on its own. AI cannot take responsibility for safety-critical decisions. AI cannot replace engineering judgment, creativity, and ethical responsibility. If a power system fails, AI alone cannot design, approve, and implement the final solution without human oversight. Electrical engineers deal with system reliability, safety standards, real-world limitations, and unexpected failures every day. These challenges require experience, critical thinking, and decision-making, things AI does not truly possess. Here's the truth most people miss. AI will not replace electrical engineers. It will transform them. Future electrical engineers will use AI tools to design systems faster, simulate complex networks, analyze massive data, and work with smart grids, renewable energy, EV infrastructure, and intelligent automation. Electrical engineers who learn and adopt AI will earn more, innovate faster, and stay relevant. But those who refuse to adapt may struggle. So, will AI replace electrical engineering jobs? No. But electrical engineers who ignore AI may be replaced by electrical engineers who use it. The future belongs to AI-assisted electrical engineers, not AI alone.
What do you think?